How to fix Active Directory domain services is currently unavailable error on Windows. 1. Login as administrator. 2. Check network install. 2.1. You may need to add new printer. 2.2 Make print spooler. Service run automatically. 3. Give your account full control of printer ports and windows. Enable full control option for devices, printer ports, and windows at hkey_current_user /software/Microsoft/Windows NT/current version in registry editor. 4. Run the built-in printer troubleshooter. 5. Run a full malware scan using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 6. Update your OS. 8. Check if one or more network protocols are missing on this computer. Install all the protocols for your networking. 9. Repair your system. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/check healthism/online/cleanupimage/scan healthism/online/cleanupimage/restore health dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health/source wimx sources install.wim1/limit access.